Welcome to Bodoland Research. This video is about the parliamentary sessions, titled as Let Us Go to Delhi. I hope you will enjoy it. Parliament monsoon session is coming up very soon. It will get started on July 22, 2024, and will end on August 12, 2024. It will be very hectic days in the parliaments, as we have seen for many years in the past. So, hello friends. Let us get ready to ask questions. Questions that matter us, our community, society, children, environment, education, etc. We have 2 members in the parliament. If you have a major issue, and if you think it can be solved by the central government, please contact these 2 members immediately. Time does not wait for us. Hurry up, folks. Now is the time. These 2 gentlemen are elected by you. They are your representatives. Nothing can stop you asking legitimate questions. I will provide their phone numbers and email IDs in this video itself. Please note them down and write an email to them with your questions right away. Or you can make a call to them. Here you go. Shri Joyanta Bwiswmuthiary, Member of Parliament, Lok Sabha. Second name, Shri Narzary, Member of Parliament, Rajya Sabha. Friends, wake up. This is the time. This time will not repeat again. This is not going to repeat.